Hey guys, it's Julie Willits here from juliewillits.com. Today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and shorten a link. Now, some people like to use this because they like it to look better. You don't want a big link actually posting any of that out there. So I'm going to take my YouTube channel link and actually shorten it for you in this demonstration, okay? So here I've grabbed, I do have a custom URL with YouTube, but it's still really kind of long. I mean, I came up with this when I first started out. So, I mean, it's not very glamorous to say the least, but let's just use that for demonstration. So I'm going to go over to Google Shortener. So you click in here to the Google URL shortener. You can actually just put your original link here, paste it in. So you see how long that is, right? So if I wanted to put that anywhere, that would just be way too long. So I really want to shorten that URL. And you just hit shorten, and there you go. So I can go ahead and copy this and paste it wherever I want to put the actual URL. I like to use it in my descriptions for my YouTube videos, because it just looks a little better than trying to put your YouTube channel, the whole long link in there, and it's going to go exactly where you want them to go, so there's no issues, okay? And pretty much that's it. It's easy peasy. I mean, you can use another one. It's called Bitly. I spelled it wrong. Okay, so it's pretty much the same thing. You just paste a link in here, and it gives you a shorter link. So you can use this one or the Google Shortener. Either one will work, just as long as you can get it shorter and it looks better. Okay guys, well, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like for you to do that, and you can hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video, and I hope you're having a great day. Alright, bye now.